Hey beauties, it is your favorite pixie princess, Jessica Nicole. And in today's video, I am giving this look right here. I realized a lot of the looks I've been doing is not simple enough for some of you guys. And I wanted to do something simple, summery, and I realized that it was what was popping last summer, which everybody was calling the Black China eye look. Or the sunset eye look, or whatever you guys want to call it. But this is what I did today. Super simple, super quick to do. I know that this is something I will be wearing this summer. Okay, nobody can tell. Look at me. I'll be wearing this summer. I'm never gonna lie to you guys. Like, I feel like anyway, shout outs to my gang. Okay, shout outs to y'all, because when you are subscribed to my channel, you are part of the notification gang, and you are the first 2 people to comment in the comment section down below. You will be shouted out by me. Mwah, your favorite. Okay. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I quickly got this look, stay tuned. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social medias and enjoy. Alright, so as usual, we are starting with one eye done. If you guys want a foundation tutorial or how I did my foundation before I came on here, I'm just gonna let that slide across right now. And you guys could check that out. But other than that, we're just going to go straight into this eye. So I'm only working from one palette, and then I used a single eyeshadow from Geek, because y'all be complaining when I hop around in palettes. So I'll be trying. Alright, I really do. I already put down my Smashbox eyeshadow primer. I put that down a while ago, but you know, it's still on there. I just put that down so that the concealer that I'm putting down won't move once I put the liquid lipstick on my lid. This is method to my madness, okay? Concealer I'm going to be using is the ABH concealer, and this is in 5.2, and I'm just using my Naked Heat palette brush to apply it. Just going to use my Set and Forget powder from Ruby Kisses. And I'm just going to take the opposite side of the brush and just put that in place. The eye is super simple. This is why I did it. So, yeah. Going into my Covershot Bold Eye Palette from Smashbox. Going to use my number 12 brush from BH Cosmetics. And I'm going into the yellow shade, which is Bolt. Just going to blend that as a transition. We're going to add more yellow as we go, just so that it shows up a little bit on the outside. It doesn't show up much, but you know, it does something. I'm gonna go into the yellow shade now. The orange shade now, which is in Wait What. And I'm using my M511 brush from MUFE, and I'm going to pop this in the crease. Just going back in with the yellow to blend out the edges. Now I'm going to follow with the R38 from MUFE. I'm going into the red shade, and that is in Fling. I'm going to just blend that in the crease as well, and this is just to prep me for what I'm putting on the lid. Anytime you guys are doing a smoky eye, I suggest whatever color is going on the lid, blend it a little into the crease to make it easier for when you put the product into the lid, because then everything will blend and cohere easily. So you guys know I always work from my crease into my lid. I do the same with the smoky eye instead of working outward, and I always, if I'm doing a black smoky eye, I always pop a black in the crease, a black eyeshadow before I put down my lid. Just gonna follow with some of the orange eyeshadow and a little of the yellow eyeshadow. Alright, so for the lid, what I did to just make sure that red eyeshadow pops on the lid, I'm going in with a liquid lipstick. This is the Cream Lip Stain from Sephora collection, and it's in 01. Just going to take a black concealer brush and just apply this onto my lip area. Now I'm just gonna go in with a flat shader brush in that red shade, and I'm just gonna pack that on top of the liquid lipstick. Just gonna follow with the R38 and again that red shade from the palette, and I'm just gonna blend my crease. Alright, so because I'm not going anywhere and my wing doesn't have to be super special to me today, Just gonna go straight in with my NYX matte liquid liner. But if I was going somewhere special and I needed this wing to be everything, I was going in with my Morphe liner. Before I move on to putting on my eyelash, I just want to finish up the under eye area. So all I have to do is pop on my eyelash. So I'm using my Makeup Geek Full Spectrum Gel Liner, and this is in Obsidian, which is black. And I'm just lining my waterline. Then I'm just going to follow with this brush in the purple shade in the palette, which is No Shame. I'm just gonna blend this underneath the eye. I'm just using my Scuba mascara to pop on my top and bottom lashes. So for the inner corner highlight, I'm using this yellow shade right here. This is literally yellow. I don't consider it gold at all. And this is in Fortune Teller from Makeup Geek. Just gonna use this brush right here and just pop that. Alright, so eyes are on. We're just going to finish up the face. I look like everything, and I didn't even really do that. They about to catch me at every event looking like this whole summer. Okay, I have two lip options. So I'm going to do lip option 1, which is what I always do, a nude glossy lip. I'm going to use my favorite liquid lipstick of all time. This is Bow and Arrow from Kat Von D. Then I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. And this is with the first lip. How can something so simple be so great? I'm just saying. Used to have a red lip liner, but I guess I don't anymore. I'm just going to go in with a tiny bit of the Sephora Collection lip stain. And this is in Always Red. And I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl gloss. And this is in Ninth Life. This is the Katy Kat gloss. This is a red gloss. I wanted to use this so red. Alright, and then this is with the second lip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, so like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and do not forget to check out my last video that I just posted that is over here. Okay, and make sure you hit that notification button, because when you're a part of the notification gang, you are a part of my family. Okay? I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.